We've just arrived at the repair cafe and we're about to set all the tables up. And this is
Carolyn.
This is Carolyn setting up a machine for repairing.
Hopefully some repairs. Usually get a few, don't we?
Yeah, get a few.
Thank you. I'll be back in a tick.
Right.
Your brains later.
Oh, we've got to bring something for them. Did you bring it?
No, I haven't got anything for you. Oh, a friend of mine, it wasn't me. A friend of mine has bought a £10 sewing machine in the championship.
Right.
And I went round to give her a sewing lesson.
Did you get out of the repair cafe?
And I thought, okay,
I think the fact that stuff that would normally end up in landfill can be repaired and reused for many more years to come.
Yep, it's a great idea.
It is.
Sorry, I'm busy. It's not electronic, it's just sucks air through it. When it sucks the air through it, it turns that round.
but that's not true.
But it's not turning round, so it is just generating suck.
Yeah.
Or it's leaking air.
What did you say it was? Dairy.
So, if you can imagine, the mechanism that does that, it's all related to, yeah.
Do you want to take that outside?
Yeah, it's a bit like that. So, Jenny, what's going on?
An animal. It's the motor electric on mine won't even make the noise.
Stevens.
They should.
That should show that. It's on that.
And it was the motor, so.
Just the brush come out and turn that.
Yes, it does, yes. Yeah, you put a penny or something in it.
So for them themselves, it's a self-knowledge.
You're on camera.
You don't have to fix it, get other people to do it for you.
Yeah.
Hey Dave, you're on camera.
So what you so you're doing something, some artistic thing.
Yeah, I'm trying to soundproof where I just need heating.
All right.
To do.
I've done quite a few today, actually. So,
Using hammers and stuff.
Yeah.
There's the sewing number. I took some padding and scrap store and I thought, or just fabricate it. So just getting plain fabric, play around. It's a long time ago when I did my class.
Hello Rico.